Guys, welcome to Technical Adda. Today I'm going to show you that how can you show your desktop icons. Here you can see there is no my PC, there is no control panel on the desktop. So in this video I'm going to show you that how can you put all the icons on the desktop screen. Firstly, you have to do is just right click on the desktop and then go to the personal, then click on the themes, then click on the desktop icons, and here you can see all the icons which you want to show on your desktop screen is visible. So just check mark on those icons which you want to be shown in the desktop screen and just apply and OK. And here you can see all the icons are shown on the desktop screen. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and follow for more.